Hi, in today's video I've got this beautiful jade pendant with a diamond setting on the top, and I've already set it up on my GemLightbox necklace and pendant stand. So very simply, let's just place that inside. I'm going to put my reflector on. Again, the smartphone goes in front, tap to focus, and we can darken down. Just play with the brightness until we're 100% happy with the color. And once I'm ready, simply click to capture. And as you can see, this jade has a lot of light purples, very clear, little shades of yellow in there as well. It's a nice engraved piece. And by making a 360 video like this, we can really see the true color of the stone and all its details. And save. Let's do one more video where we look at it from a landscape view. So I'm simply going to set this up on the side. Again, you can darken down. And once I'm ready, simply click to capture. Just like that, I've created this amazing video. To take it out to show you how beautiful this piece is. We can see all those amazing details at the back. When it comes around the side, we can see the change of color in the natural jade. And when it comes to the front, we can really see all the engravings, the craftsmanship. A magnificent piece. Thanks for watching. Any questions, feel free to reach out.